Hello guys, this is Truth. You can see a ragtop on my car. I think you want to know how we did it. So let's watch the video and subscribe. Today we stay at the workshop of my friend Artyom. Links to him we will find in description by this video. So, come on! First of all, we need a new ragtop. It comes from Renault Twingo first generation. We bought it in a ragtop shop room. The link will in description of our video. And we need some instruments. We need grinder, drill or screwdriver, I don't know how it's called, drills, tape lines, and also we need glue to fix the frame of ragtop to the roof. We use glue for automotive windshield glasses, and I don't know how it's called. So let's go to grind our roof. From aluminium frame we need to drill out the fixation of the original cladding. We don't need this anymore. And we go to mark the position of frame of our ragtop on our roof. Ребят, мы точно уверены в своей правоте, нахуй. Даже, по-русски, как всегда, 7 раз отмерили, 1 раз, отрежь неправильно.
Не, ну неплохо, саморез недостаточно длинный, потолок не пробил.
Нахуй, блядь!
Не в рот.
5 hours later.